So you want me to take you to the village so you can meet the people and take your photographs. But then you will get your pictures. Is it not so? And then you will leave. And the people, what do they get? If there's one thing I hate about people like you who come in here dangling your cameras, is that you seem to think that we must be convenient for you. It's almost as if you think that your camera gives you license to tell us how to behave. Smile. Say cheese. Cheese. Are you not supposed to ask permission from me before you take my pictures? As far as I'm concerned, more Africans have died because of your cameras than they have died because of war, famine, and disease. Ever since your cameras came to our shores, you and your media, your newspapers, your television have made sure to portray us like animals. Listen, a bullet might kill a member of the population, but the cameras do not kill. They delete. It is our very character that you destroy. You take away our humanity. You are not different from them, the tourists. You are just passing by and you happen to have a camera on your chest. Take. I say cheese, take. Let me see. Is this how you want to show me to the world? Okay. Lift up your cameras. I say cheese. Take. Photo shoot. I say cheese. Take. Wait. Take another one. Yeah. Take. I say cheese. Take. Cheese. Take.